Hey, what's up, everyone? Good morning. Welcome, guys, to a brand new update for Max Profit Coins. Today is Thursday. It is the 24th of January, and we are back, guys, on day 4 of our 1-week challenge. If you're just joining us for the first time, guys, what we're doing here for this week is we're basically trying to see how much money we can make with one trading session per day using Max Profit Coins. So in this video, what you're about to see is you're going to watch me live as we trade using Max Profit Coins. I'm going to show you how you can use the app, but also just show you how easy it is to use, especially for beginners. And of course, most importantly, at the end of this video, as we do with all live trading videos, we will review the results at the end, so that way we can see how much money the Max Profit Coins can generate for us. This week has already been a profitable week so far, so we're hoping that today will be another positive turnout. So stay tuned, guys, and of course, before we get started, don't forget to like our videos, and if you're new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe and click the bell icon. That way you get notifications for all our future updates. So let's go, guys. Let's make some money. So here we are, guys. Welcome to the Max Profit Coins application. Just to clarify a couple things, guys, what we are using here is the software provided by the Max Profit Coins. This is an automated trading program. It is designed for beginners, which basically makes your entire trading experience very, very easy. So for those of you who have, never traded before, or maybe you might have some experience with online trading, Max Profit Coins is a great tool that you can use to your advantage, so that way you can actually profit through the online markets. Now, another great factor about the software is the fact that this program targets multiple markets. Just by looking at the current assets, you can see that we have a different variety of assets, such as cryptocurrencies, stocks. We also have commodities and global pairs as well. So this gives you many choices of different signals that you can choose from. And it also allows you to trade at various hours throughout the day, early in the morning, or even late at night. Now, we're also going to be doing a live trading session for the very first time this weekend, because again, Max Profit Coins targets cryptocurrency markets, which allows you to trade any weekend that you want. So this is something new that we're going to be exploring for the first time this coming weekend. So definitely stay tuned for that. But overall, guys, even though that the software targets many markets, the application itself is very simple to use, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works in this video. So far, guys, what we've done is just done one trading session per day using Max Profit Coins, and just to see how much money we can make in 1 week. And so far, guys, the results have been incredible. We've made over $2,000 so far, and keep in mind that today is only Thursday and we haven't even done any trading yet. So we're very excited so far, starting with Monday when we first started this week, and seeing that we already have over $2,000 in our accounts. It's really exciting to see the results that we've been getting so far just by using an application like Max Profit Coins. So without further ado, guys, I just want to get started and play some trades and show you how the software works. So in case if you haven't seen any of our previous videos, let me just quickly walk you through it. When you're about to trade, guys, what you do is you choose your trades through your current asset list. Now, Max Profit Coins, again, targets many markets, so you have a lot of signals available for you to trade. And if you look at the information at the very bottom, it says here showing page 1 of 37. So this means we currently have 37 different pages of assets and currency pairs, global pairs, commodities, and stocks that we could choose from at this given moment. So needless to say, there are plenty of choices for us to go through. And you can easily go through these pages just by clicking the previous and the next buttons. So what you want to look for, guys, is not only the asset you want to choose, but you also want to pay attention to the signal strip. Now, this is a key component to, basically trying to choose the best signals possible. So this basically means the overall probability of these trades being a winning trade. And these are all based by the analysis and indicators and strategies that are integrated within Max Profit Coins. So of course, in this case, we have some pretty good signals here. A signal that I would avoid in this scenario would be the Bitcoin versus the Geos coin. Notice how it has a 56% signal strength. That's too low. You really don't want to go any lower than 60%, because otherwise then it's really not worth taking that trade. But as you can see, we have other signals here, such as the Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen, 99% confidence factor. That's pretty damn good. So what I'm actually going to do, guys, considering that we have a great confidence factor here, I'm actually going to do this for our first trade. So this is the easy part. When you click, whichever signal, in this case, Canadian dollar JPY, that signal is automatically transferred to your auto trading section of your Max Profit Coins app. And from here, it's very simple. You have total control over the entire software. So from here, guys, since we're going to invest Canadian dollar JPY, it shows you the confidence factor, also shows you the predicted direction for a call or put. Again, these are predictions provided by Max Profit Coins. So at this point, all we have to do is type in our trade value. So I'm actually going to increase my trade values for the first time this week. The past few days, guys, we've been doing $25 and $50 trades. But because we've had a beautiful growth in our account balance, I'm actually going to start placing some $100 trades. So for this trade, we're going to do 100. This will be our first trade. So once you type in your trade value, click trade. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's that easy. And this is something that's also very beneficial that Max Profit Coins provides. You have total control over the signals that you can choose from, which is very important because you don't want to choose the wrong ones, if you're using like a fully auto trading program. But you can also have total control over your trade values. You can do $100 as I just did. You can do $50. You can do $75. But you can also go much lower if you don't want to invest too much, especially if you're just starting off using Max Profit Coins. You can place smaller trades of $20, $25. You can even do $10 and $15 as well. So this would actually allow you to place more trades without actually, risking so much. So definitely a great factor to consider, and a great feature that Max Profit Coins provides. So that was our first trade, guys. Let's move on and let's place a few more. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, so we have a nice cryptocurrency pair here. We have Bitcoin versus OK Cash. Again, a nice confidence factor of 92%. Now you'll notice that it's a put position. We don't have to worry if it's a call or put position because this is indications automatically provided for us and we're using its auto trading function. But I do want to just point out, looking at the put position prediction by Max Profit Coins, but you'll also look at the chart for Bitcoin and OK Cash. You can see that there is an overall downward trend happening. So this is pretty good. This is a pretty good signal to look into. So we're going to take this for 100. Okay, moving on. Let's see what else we have here. Let's go through the pages. Here we have a euro pair, guys. Euro versus the Israeli shekel, 75%. That's pretty good. So we can definitely take this one to our advantage for 100. All right, perfect. So another thing, as you're watching me, guys, you can mix and match any signal from any market when you're using Max Profit Coins. You don't have to just stick with cryptocurrencies or just global pairs or stocks or whatever you're choosing. You can trade, mix and match anything that is available for you provided by the software. So you're not stuck in one market, which basically allows you to diversify your trades, which again is also very beneficial if you're an online trader. Let's take a look at this one here, guys. We have, let's see, actually no, I don't want that one. Move on. Let's do this Ethereum pair, 90%. So we have Ethereum versus Digix. Don't really know much about that cryptocurrency, but I mean, everybody knows Ethereum, just like it's just as popular as Bitcoin. I do like the confidence factor that it is 90%. So these are, so I'm going to take this. I feel comfortable with it for 100. All right, let's see. Next one. Here's another good one here, guys. Euro versus the Swedish krona, 88%, pretty good for 100 for a $100 trade. We'll take this one. Now let's try to find one more strong crypto pair. And then I think we'll end it there. Let's see. Depending on what we find, let's see what we have. We have a strong Bitcoin pair here, guys. Bitcoin versus Zcoin, 98%. 98% confidence factor by Max Profit Coins. That's not bad. I think this could be useful for our, let's do this for our sixth and final trade for 100. All right, perfect. So we now have a total of 6 trades, mix and match of different cryptocurrencies and global pairs. So we're going to stop there, guys. I actually had a question by one of our viewers, I think it was yesterday or the day before, watching one of my other videos where I think I only did 5 trades. Now in this case we did a total of 6 trades, but somebody asked me why I only do a handful of trades, and the reason why, guys, is actually a couple of reasons. First of all, it's more of a personal preference. I don't really agree or believe in aggressive trading. Aggressive trading is where basically you take a bunch of your money, your capital, and you invest it in a bunch of trades. That's a lot. I mean, there are some people who do it and they are successful in it. But personally, guys, because we are testing out Max Profit Coins for the first time. This will be our first full week where we use it. And secondly, this is my money. I want to be smart with it. So what I basically do is, place a handful of trades, and then I will wait for these trades to close. Once those trades close, depending on the results, if we make profits or if we lose profits, then I will determine if I will place more trades. But I think it's just safer this way to place a handful of trades at first, rather than just, blowing a large amount of money on a handful of trades, because, there are other unforeseen circumstances that can certainly affect market conditions, and you want to limit your risks as much as possible. So in case if you're wondering, that is my reasoning. But again, to each their own, guys. Everyone has their own methods. It's whatever you are comfortable with. All right, so going back to Max Profit Coins, guys, as you know, we just did a total of 6 trades. So what happens to those trades? Well, if you look in our account information, you'll notice that obviously that the money that we have chosen, from those trades has been deducted from our account. But you'll also notice that our connected broker, in this case, is Trader Online. So when you sign up with Max Profit Coins, a broker is provided for you, which you must deposit with in order to activate and connect, both your application and broker together. So what I recommend you do is let's take a look into our broker to see what happens. And if you look down here, guys, in our open positions of our broker, you will see the 6 trading the 6 signals that we have chosen through Max Profit Coins. So this is the best part, guys. When I said that Max Profit Coins is easy, you saw me use the application. You are using this software as your tool. All right, this software does a majority of the work for you, analyzing the markets and providing you with signals. So when you choose whichever signals through your application, those signals are automatically transferred into your connected broker, and in this case we are using Trader Online. So at this point, guys, it doesn't get any easier than waiting. All we have to do is just wait for these trades to close, and they will close automatically, based on the values and take profits that are automatically set by the Max Profit Coins application. So from experience so far, guys, some of these trades, they will take, they can take up to a couple of hours, maybe a little bit more for them to close. But again, they close automatically. So you don't have to be fixated on your screen. You can close the application. You can, do whatever you want. If you need to go out or, make a cup of coffee, which I'm going to do right now. The best part is that these trades will close, so you don't have to do anything else at this point except wait. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to simply pause this video, and then we will return in about a couple of hours and check on the results within Max Profit Coins and our connected broker, so that way we can review the details of those results. So stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are back. Time is up. Let's go back into Max Profit Coins because our trades that we have chosen have now closed and finalized, and we can finally review the results. And I'm actually very excited to share these results with you guys because we have some major profits to go over. And as you know, as you saw me do, trading through Max Profit Coins, something that we did differently today that we had not done, before, is we did something by increasing our trade values for the first time, targeting $100 trades. Now, placing those $100 trades really came in handy in terms of boosting our profits even further. So of course, let me just clarify, guys, when we started this week, we were targeting $25 and $50 trades. But with the help of Max Profit Coins and the results that we've been seeing so far, I mean, obviously, when you first start off joining Max Profit Coins, you're not going to be throwing in $100 trades, especially if you're starting with a $250 or $500 deposit. So the goal here, guys, is to, use the software, let the software build your account, with the trades that you choose. And as your account gradually grows, then you can start, increasing your trade values here and there. So being that we had over $2,000 in our accounts, I figured it was safe enough to, place some $100 trades. So that really came in handy. And as you can see from our account balance, we definitely have some beautiful increases in our balance. So one thing I do want to just quickly remind you guys before we actually review the details, if you want to get started with Max Profit Coins, what you actually need to do is go through their official page, which is the website that you see right here on your screen. So this is the official page of Max Profit Coins, has all the information about the software, other features. They even have a little video that's only a couple of minutes long about the software itself, but you'll also see these orange registration buttons on their website. So this is where you have to register, guys. When you register, depending on the country that you live in, will determine the broker that you receive if the software is available for you. So make sure you use your valid information, complete your deposit, and you will have access to this application. Now, for your convenience, guys, what I've done is left the link to this website down below in our video description, so that way you can access it anytime after you watch our video. Now, let's get to the best part, guys. Let's review the results. So again, we are using Trader Online, which is the broker given to us when we signed up with Max Profit Coins. So again, I always, just like we did when we executed our trades, it's always good to confirm your trades with your connected broker. So here we go, guys. Incredible, incredible results. We did a total of 6 trades here, guys, and as you can see, we have one losing trade for the euro versus the shekel. So as a percentage standpoint, guys, we are looking at an 83.33% winning ratio, which of course is more than plenty to gain a profit. And when it comes to online trading, your goal is to have your winning trades outnumber your losses. And through the help of using Max Profit Coins, we accomplished just that. So even though we have one losing trade, we still have 5 profitable wins. Now, because we increased our trade values to $100 per trade, being that we are dealing with Forex and CFD types of brokers, we definitely had some incredible results here, guys, that ranged anywhere between $100 and $137 in returned profits. So as it stands, guys, 5 out of 6 winning trades gave us a total profit return of $502.27. And that's just with 6 trades, guys. I mean, this is incredible. Again, the $100 investment definitely helped. But even if you saw some of our previous videos when we were, placing $25 and $50 trades, we were earning total profit returns of $200 and $300 plus dollars. So now that we've increased those values to $100 each trade, now we're looking at $500 returns, which is very, very exciting, guys. So this definitely boosted our profits from, I think it was a little over $2,100. Now we're at $2,667.58. And again, guys, we are using the Max Profit Coins to our advantage. We are basically just doing what the software tells us to do with the signals that are automatically provided for us. We don't have to waste time analyzing charts and studying graphs. The software does that for us through its own technical analysis and integrated strategies that have been implemented into the software. And as a return, it makes trading that much easier, especially for beginners. So again, guys, it's a great application. It's user-friendly, as you saw me do. It's great for beginners. And if you want to get started, guys, all the information to get started is down below in our video description. You can click the links, you can read more about Max Profit Coins, and you can also register and get started today. If you have any questions, comment on my videos or email me directly at prestigebinary@gmail.com. And if you've enjoyed our video, guys, give us a thumbs up, smash that like button. We appreciate and love your support, but don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching our 4th live trading update of the week, day 4 of using Max Profit Coins. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.